In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the quickest way to get all your items listed on Whatnot for your Whatnot show. So you're not wasting any time and you can get to making that money. I'm going to show you everything that you need to do and all the supplies that you need to have. So without further ado, let's get into it, baby. If you're new to the channel, guys, my name is Ray. I am a part-time reseller. I sell on eBay, but I love selling on Whatnot. I've sold over 4,000 items on Whatnot, and we have over 6,000 followers on Whatnot. And we have 1 to 2 shows a week. And one of the biggest tips that I've learned with our journey on Whatnot is to get items listed as quickly as possible so we can have those Whatnot shows and start making some real money. Just like eBay, listing is an absolute chore and it sucks. So for a lot of people, that's why they came over on Whatnot, because hey, they don't want to list anymore. So I'm going to show you the easiest and the quickest way to do so. So before that, I'm going to show you the supplies that you need to have to make this thing actually work. So you're going to need a total of 3 supplies, and let me show you what they are. Number 1, you're going to need a scale because you need to know how much your items actually weigh. Number 2, you're going to need something to write on or something to keep track of when your items sell. In this case, I use a sticky notepad. So when something sells, I just write the number on there and I stick it on the item. Some people like to use painter's tape. Some people like to write it down on a piece of notebook paper, but I like to use a sticky note. And number 3, and everyone should have this laying around the house, is just a pen or a writing utensil. So now that we know what kind of supplies that we need to make this listing a success, let's get to step number 1, and that is picking your inventory. And that scale is going to be super important to what we're trying to do. So when you go to Whatnot, you go into your Whatnot show that you created, you have to list the item by the shipping profile. Whatnot has a couple different shipping profiles. They have 0 to 1 ounce, 1 to 3 ounces, 8 to 11 ounces, 12 to 15 ounces, a pound to 2 pounds, and so on and so forth. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is that you're going to pick your inventory that weighs around that particular shipping profile, and then you create one listing with multiple quantities. Now, if you have different items that weigh different amounts, then you just kind of bundle those together and make another listing. So I have here some items that I picked out that weigh in the same shipping profile. So I have 14 items that I picked out, which each one weighs in the shipping profile 4 to 7 ounces. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make one listing of 14 from 4 to 7 ounces. And just a little caveat to that, you have to account the shipping supplies. It's the weight of the shipping supply that the item is going to go in. So if it's going in a box, of course it's going to weigh more. I usually ship this stuff in like a bubble mailer, so it's maybe an ounce, so it still stays in that shipping profile. And I know this all sounds super confusing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen record my phone screen, and we're gonna do everything step by step right now, right here. So here we have the show, which starts in 13 minutes. So I gotta get these things out and quick. So again, 13 minutes. Let's see how fast we do this. So we're gonna go to add a new product, which is gonna be one product. It says upload picture, which is required. So we're just going to upload a picture that I just took of the items right there. Everyday electronics, that's what we're selling. And I'm just gonna put electronics as the electronics as the title, and then hit copy, and then go to description, and paste electronics. And the condition, everything in here is open box new, and just hit done. And then it's an auction. I usually like to start all my electronics at $8, which you can change it the way that you want it to. And then on the shipping profile, we're going to do 4 to 7 ounces. Okay. And we have, go back to quantity available. That's what I missed. So we have 14 items in here. So we're just going to put 1 4 and we are good to go. No hazardous materials. So as you can see, there are a quantity of 14 items in the shipping profile. And if you have different items that weigh different things, again, I would lot them up and do a different shipping profile and make a different listing. And you can take a picture one at a time and put it in there, but that takes a lot of time, in my opinion. When I do my big shows, I do like to do that, especially if it's like a really big and expensive item. Of course, I want to take some pictures so that people know what they're doing. And one caveat to this is the way that we're doing it right here, people are more prone to stay in your show because they don't know what's coming up. So in an auction that has all the items individually listed, some people can just go to the auction tab and see the items that you have, and then if they don't want anything, they dip out. In this case, they get to stay on your show and they get to see, oh, what's coming up next? Does Ray have this? Does da 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 da? And so that's a good way for people to stay engaged and stay on your show. So I hope this helps. If you're confused in any kind of way, I almost forgot this part. So once you start your show, it'll say electronics item or whatever Funko Pop item number 1. When it sells, you better keep track. Use your notepad or however you keep track and write on the item what it is. If you don't do that, you don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're going to be selling. So I'm going to show you on the computer what that looks like. Let's go ahead and get the show started. Once the show is over, I'm going to show you on the computer, on the shipping, what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and start the show, baby. And that took 3 minutes. That took 3 minutes for us to do that. See? 10 minutes for the show to start. So let's get to selling some stuff. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We're going to do the shipping from the show that we just did. Again, once you sell your items, make sure you write what number it was when it sold. Again, I sold 5 items. When it sold, I put number 1, I put number 2, I put number 3. So I had a total of 5 items in a Starbucks gift card giveaway. I'm going to fix it to show you on the computer screen what that looks like. So I have here my 5 items that sold. And again, this is the first item that sold. Put number 1 on there, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on and so forth. So here we are on the laptop. These are the items that sold. We have 4 pending shipments. And as you can see, these are all the orders that are going out. This person bought 2 things. This person just got the gift card. So we're good to go. And as you can see right there, it says electronics number 5, electronics number 3, electronics number 4. So when I go to ship this, I'm just going to click on the name right here, go over to generate label. And of course, guys, if you don't have a thermal label printer, do yourself a favor and get a thermal label printer. And I'm going to hit print. And there it goes. So we have our shipping label ready to rock and roll. And this is electronics number 4. So we're going to get a bubble mailer, grab the number 4 item that we sold, and get it shipped off, baby. So guys, that is the quickest and the easiest way to list your items and whatnot if you want a quick show. Again, if you're listing something that's going to be sold for a ton of money, I would certainly recommend that you take pictures of the item and just do it right. But if you're going to be selling like a multiple quantities of items that weigh similar, definitely do it this way. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. I'll try to answer those to the best of my ability. Let me know. Again, guys, does this help you? Were you stressed out? Were you like, man, I don't want to have to list anything else. I'm already listing on eBay. I don't want to have to list some more stuff. Guys, in less than 10 minutes, you can list this, get the show going, and you're gonna waste no time at all. Guys, if you enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, put a comment down below, because this greatly helps out the video, and I want to spread as much as this information out to as many people so you quit wasting your time. So without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, put a comment down. And like always, my name is Ray. We'll catch you on the flip side. See y'all. God bless. Peace.